Hello everyone. I, Shubham Metkar, Web Executive at isa.vesit, welcome you all in this tutorial. You are now watching how to create responsive contact form and footer section for our portfolio website. In the previous video, we have learned how to create responsive statistics section. If you haven't visited our previous videos yet, then I would suggest you to watch them once. So without a further ado, let's get started. Well, we can now see the HTML file of our web page. I have included some important links in our head tag about which I have explained it in my previous videos. Also, they are nothing but Google font awesome icon and CSS file links. Let's now jump into our main part, that is body tag. So let's structure our contact form first. So as you can see, I have created one parent division under which I am including my this form tag. Under this form tag, I have created some models for entering my visitor's name, second model for entering visitor's email, and the third one for visitor's contact number. Below which I have also included one submit button which is highlighted in this section. By the end of this, we have completed our form. So let's now dive into our footer section. You can see I am using footer tag. As you know that we want to differentiate our footer section into three divisions, which you saw at the beginning of this video. Let me now explain you logic or method to build those. I have created a main parent division named row. Our final goal is to accommodate this three section or columns in one row. So here we are going to build a simple model where you can see we have declared our parent division column 1 in this highlighted section, inside which we are simply including whatever content we want to display and it is want to be shown. I have just repeated this model 3 times. Let me scroll down to show you that thing. Here, this highlighted portion, this I have repeated for the second time, and up next, for About Me section, I have included that model thrice here. So, by this, we are done with creating HTML structure of our contact form and footer section. So let's now design this plain and boring HTML into a attractive or aesthetically pleasing CSS file. So let's now design it. Well, let's now style our contact form first. In this video, we will be learning a new thing, that is advanced CSS. So here you can see I have declared some variables in CSS for my colors. Up next, I have designed or styled my main, that is prominent form class. This is being highlighted. Then I have simply styled my form class. Then we displayed a title, that is submit details, which we have styled in this highlighted section, and our form division through this styling. Next, all the input details which we were taking is being styled in this particular code of section of the CSS. Also, to style label, we have included this particular styling. Now, we wanted to style our submit button, which we have styled in this particular block of code. We are also given the on hover animation effect to our button, which is being styled in this particular block. So let's now see when we click any particular input field, that input field placeholder moves up. So that particular code is now done in this section. So when the input focus sticks on top level, so this particular code of section helps us for that styling. And at this last, when we input our focus on that input section, this particular code of block will be helpful for us. So let's now style our footer section. Here you can observe we have styled our main parent division for the footer, that is row. Up next, we have also styled our social media icons through this particular block of code. Up next, we also had My Services section in the footer section. Here, this particular block of code has done that styling part. As we know, in the footer section, we wanted to bifurcate the section into three parts. So here we have given width is equal to 33%, that is three sections in a one row in this column 1 class. And at the end, we also wanted to make those footer sections into responsiveness. So for making it responsive, we have used CSS media queries where when a user device gets less than 750 pixel, columns are getting converted from 3 in a row to 1 in a row, that is occupying 100% width of the section. Well, let's now run our contact form and footer section. Let me navigate to my HTML file. Right click and select open in browser. So here you can see we have finally designed this amazing contact form, and down here our footer with necessary content to be displayed. Let me now check my contact form. Is it working perfectly or not? Let me enter any details. Yes, here you can see our form is perfectly working and we can submit our details through the submit button. Let's now check the responsiveness of our contact form and footer section. Let's check firstly for the laptop view. It's now working perfectly. Let's go for the tablet size view. Here you can see it's working perfectly. Let's now go to the mobile size view. In this also our contact form is responsive, and our footer section, which was earlier three-part divided, now is converted into 100% width and into this view. Let's now go for the medium size view and check its responsiveness. It's responsive here also. If you have followed all of the videos on building responsive portfolio website, then you will be able to build it very easily. Let me now show you the complete website portfolio. I have hosted my portfolio website on internet for free with the help of GitHub. Here you can see I have hosted it on the GitHub. Let me just show you the complete website portfolio. This was our header section with navigation bar. I have kept this navigation bar sticky. This is our my services section. This is our start section. This is our my skills section. This is our testimonial. This is our contact form, and this is the my footer section. Let me just show you the responsiveness. I am now going for the tablet size view, and here you can see my navigation bar is perfectly working. Let me just scroll down a little bit. Now let's go to the mobile size view. Here you can see it's also working in the mobile size view. So with this video, we have successfully created responsive contact form and footer section. If you have any other method on creating this contact form and footer section, do let us know in the comment section. The complete source code for this particular section and also for the complete portfolio website is made available in the description box. Please feel free to check it out. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you find this tutorial very helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to isa.visit's channel. Till then, happy coding!